Hello everyone, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss about polar coordinate system, Cartesian coordinate system and parametric form. We have already learned about polar coordinate system, but here we differentiate polar and Cartesian. So now polar coordinate system means we have already learned about this, but here polar form uses a distance from the origin and angle from a reference direction. Polar form has distance and angle. Distance from the origin and angle in a reference direction. This is polar form. If it is an angle and a distance, then it is polar form. Cartesian coordinate system, the system of describing the position of point in space using perpendicular axis lines that meets at a point called the origin. See the diagram. Here a point, this a point, position of a point in this Cartesian coordinate describe the point position that is in the vertical axis and horizontal axis. Then here describe one point that is Cartesian coordinate x comma y. Here these two lines forms a perpendicular angle. Then these perpendicular angle meets origin. This is called the Cartesian coordinates. Cartesian coordinates means these vertical lines and horizontal lines. These meet a point and forms a perpendicular angle. This perpendicular angle meet at the origin point. This is the Cartesian coordinate system. Then parametric form. The parametric form represents variables as a functions. Variables as a functions of a third variable called a parameter. Here variables has a function means x and y are the variables has a function. These function of a variable that is t. This t is a parametric. This t is a parametric and parameter. So here the definition is represent variable has a function of a third variable. This third variable is a parameter. Then see example, x equal to f of theta. This is one of the function of the variable t. T is a parameter and y is a function variable t. T is a parameter. This is called the parametric equation. This is parametric equation. See one of the example. Now example, if x equal to 2 theta and y is equal to t square, then take t value 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Then t value put in the equation, we get x and y value. See x is when t equal to 0, then x value is 0, y value is 0, t is 1, x value is 2, y value is 1, t is 2, x is 4, because in this place t value, in this place put 2 value, then 2 into 2 4, then x value is 4. Again put t value has 2, then 2 square is 4, then y value is 4, same as it is minus 1, x value is minus 2, y value is 1, t value is minus 2, x value is minus 4 and y value is 4. By the value of x and y we draw the graph. Here t is what? Parametric form. This is parametric form. This is polar. Polar means angle and distance. Cartesian means a point describes by using the perpendicular angle which meets origin. Then parametric form, it is a variable has a function of a third variable, that is t is parametric form. This is the today's topic. If you have any doubts, put in the comment box and see you in the next video. Thank you.